Good morning. This is the ExactTrades.com Movers Report for September 15th, 2011. First trade we have is VVUS. You can see here we're gapping up. Last is at 940. Has been as high as 950 right here. I'll look for an open above this 920 somewhere between 920 and 950. We're going to look to short this back into the gap. So look for a break to a new low of the day off of the open. Now we could get a bounce off the open. Just set your alert a little bit above that open or the low of the day. Wait for it to turn back over and see if it can break down below. Keep your eye on the market too. If we get some selling, it could help some of these gaps short down below and fill their gap. So take it short. You can start with half, see if we get a bounce, and then add the second half to the position, and then look for a break to a new low and just trend down for the day. First profit target is going to be about 9 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about 18 cents. And then I would just trail a stop down on your last piece. You're going to see some support here at 9. And then to fill the gap, and the strong support is going to be at 860. So watch those two areas. And next we have ACC. Very similar to VVUS setup. Gapping up this morning. Last is 41.01. It's been as high as 41.15. Looking for it to open above, this 40.80, 40.90 area. So right in here, look for the open. See if it'll break through to a new low of the day. Take this short. First profit target is going to be about 40 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 80 cents. Going to see some support here right around 40. Then some more at 39.80. And then down into here about 39.20. So those will be the areas to watch for as you're following your trade down and you're taking pieces off as profit and moving your stop. And now we're looking at UBS gapping down this morning. You see the support here about 11.53. Breaking down below that. And also pretty steady selling off of this gap down. It's not like an exaggerated drop and then a bounce pre-market. It's just been systematic selling down into this 11.37, which is our last price right here. So we're going to look to take this short. This may bounce a little bit off the open. Could stay in this range. If it does, just set your alert at the low of the day or near the low of the day. Then see if it can break through to that new low of the day. We want it to violate its own support level. Then we're going to take this short. First profit target is going to be about 11 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 22 cents, and then trail a stop on your last piece. Watch $11 as support as you come into it. If this gaps down and opens close to this 11, I would go ahead and pass on this trade. Next we have PWRD. You can see the support level here right around 1720. We're gapping down. Last is at 1615, and this support here at 16. It came as low as 1605. We're going to look to take this short on a new low. So watch for this open. It could open anywhere from here to 1640 area. See if it can break through to a new low of the day. Take it short. First profit target is going to be 16 cents. Second profit target is going to be 32 cents from your entry. And then I would trail a stop down. Watch 15 for support right here. Could get a nice bounce off of 15. So as you come down into that, you might want to tighten your stop or go ahead and take the rest off of your position. Next we have REGN. We're gapping up this morning. 66.05 is our last, so right here. Now we do have resistance levels here, a couple different places, 66.71. So I would wait for a break above that 71 area. I would take it long over 77 or 78 right there. Then look for resistance here just about 67.65 to 67.87. Take your first half off there. See if you can push through, and then next resistance is going to be right up in here around 69.50. And then possibly 70. And now we're looking at BBVA gapping up this morning. Last is at 795. You can see here moving up over resistance levels and holding this trend line. Coming into this previous resistance area here. Going to look to take this long on a new high off of the open. You could wait for a break over 8. You could take it along at about 803. About 812 is where you're going to want to take some profit. You can see the high end of this resistance channel right here. And then you're going to have some more resistance here around 826. Probably going to take a little bit more profit early around 820. So take some here at 812, then 820, and then see if you can get a push through these resistance levels with your last piece, and I would just trail a stop. And then you're going to have also some resistance here at 840 from back on 9.2. Next we're looking at NFLX. It's Netflix. They actually lowered their estimates for their subscribers for the third quarter. Took a big hit this morning. Been down as low as 171. We're bouncing up into this 180 area. I'm going to look to take this long off the open on a new high. So look to see it move up first few minutes. You can start with a small piece, wait for a pullback, and see if it can hold the low of the day. It might need to base a little bit first. First profit target is going to be about $1.80 from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about $3.60 from your entry. I'm thinking that we could come up into this 185 to 190 area, and then we're going to have resistance here at that 200. So some areas to watch, but I think it will break up, especially if we get some buying in the market and a strong day. It could rally up into these areas in 190. And our last trade on the movers is AIXG, gapping down here. Been as low as 1577 area. Right now it's at 1643, right there. We're going to look to take this long on a new high of the day off of the open. So wait for it to open. It could sell off a little bit. See if we get a bounce, a breakthrough to the new high of the day. Take it long there. First profit target is going to be about 17 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 34 cents. You're going to see some resistance here at 17, and then see 18 right here, and then the resistance at 18.25. So those are some areas to watch. I would take some profit, in this area, and then trail up your stop. Watch it closely at 18 and that 18.25. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.